Hey everyone, is Revolut X the right financial solution for you in 2025? Let's break down the pros, cons, and fees of Revolut's premium service so you can decide if it's worth it. So, Revolut X is Revolut's premium offering that comes packed with advanced features including no hidden fees for international spending, access to exclusive cashback deals on travel, dining, and shopping, also enhanced investment tools for crypto, stocks, and commodities. This service caters to users who needs an all-in-one financial and investment platform. Now, let's start with the pros. So pros include fee-free global transaction, so you can spend in 150 plus currencies with no exchange fees. Also, it includes advanced investment options like managing crypto, stocks, and even commodities in one single app. Also, it has a priority customer support. You can get 24/7 assistance from Revolut's premium team. Then, it also has some travel perks. So you can enjoy free lounge access, travel insurance, and exclusive cashback offers on bookings. Now, here are the cons. So the cons include subscription cost that is at $19.99 per month. It's pricier than Revolut's standard options. Now, it also has another con that is limited cashback categories. So cashback is only available for selected purchase. Also, it has geographic limitations. So some perks like travel insurance are restricted to certain countries. Now, here's a quick look at the fee. Subscription include $99.99 per month, that is nearly $20 per month, or $199 per year, that is nearly $200 per year. Now, it has crypto transactions available at 1.5% fee per trade. Also, it has ATM withdrawals that is free up to $1,000 per month and then 2% after that. Now, the question is, should you get Revolut X? The answer is, if you travel frequently, invest actively, and want premium financial features, Revolut X is worth considering. However, if you are a casual user, the standard plan may suffice. So, what do you think about Revolut X? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. See you in the next one.